Hi, I'm Dave with Lancaster Dent Removal. In Central PA, we don't see hail damage a lot, but when we do, it can be pretty scary and most people don't know how to handle it. Paintless dent removal is the preferred method for repairing hail damage on vehicles. It's important to note that hail damage is a comprehensive claim. What that means is it's not going to raise your insurance rates. The first step is to contact your insurance company and set up a time to meet with your insurance adjuster. Make sure that you get a claim number. After you've met with your insurance adjuster, call us and set up a time to drop your vehicle off. Once we have your vehicle, we will go over it and complete a final estimate for repair. If additional funds are needed, we will take care of contacting your insurance company and submitting a supplement. Give us a call today to set up an appointment for your vehicle.